Visual proof for 1 by 4 to the power of n, where n equal to 1 to infinite. Let's take a triangle of 1 unit. Divide it into 4 equal triangles. Change the color of one of the triangles. Divide the top triangle again into 4 equal triangles. Repeat the whole process on this triangle also. Continue further to as many as we can. Now separate the color triangles. Now we can see the black color triangle is 1/3 of total triangle and red color triangles are 2/3 of total triangle. So by observing this visualization, we can say 1 by 4 to the power of n, where n equal to 1 to infinite equal to 1 by 3.